In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Enpass. Whether you're a longtime user or new to Enpass, this step-by-step guide will help you swiftly activate your license, ensuring you have access to all the powerful features Enpass offers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to launch the Enpass app on your desktop. To do this, simply find the Enpass icon either on your desktop or within your Applications folder, and double-click to open it. Once the app is up and running, you'll see the main interface, a hub for secure password management. Next, make your way to the settings of the app. Look towards the bottom left or top right, depending on your app version, for a gear icon or some indication of settings. Click on it, and from the menu options, you'll want to navigate to General Settings. This is where you'll manage overall preferences and activations. Once you're in the General Settings, look for the option to enter your email address. This should be the email associated with your purchase of Enpass. Or if you're using Enpass within an organization, be sure to enter your organization's designated email address. It's important to use the correct email, as this is how Enpass verifies your account and sends you important information. After you've entered the right email address, look for the button that says Send Code. This option allows Enpass to send you a 6-digit activation code to the email you've just specified. Check your email inbox, and don't forget to check your spam folder in case it lands there by mistake. When you receive the email, you'll see your 6-digit activation code inside. Go back to the Enpass app, and there should be a field available for you to input this code. Carefully type in the code you received and double-check to ensure there are no typos. Once you've entered the code, the next step is pivotal. Look for the Confirm button and click it. This action tells the Enpass system that you have the correct activation code and wish to proceed with activating your license. Congratulations, you're almost done. Now, simply click Done to complete the activation process. With the successful activation, all the premium features of Enpass are at your fingertips. Whether it's advanced password management, secure backups, or additional organizational features, you now have full access. That's it. You've activated Enpass on your desktop successfully. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double-check your email and code entries, or refer to the Enpass support for further help. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy the seamless experience of a fully activated Enpass.